Hi, my name is Josh. I'm a professional within wellness and entertainment, and I'm here with DesireList talking about how to use essential oils to make gifts for the holidays, either for your loved ones or for yourself. What we're going to be doing today specifically, we're going to make some spritzers and also a roller-on bottle. I'll talk about how these different essential oils work, the different carrier agents that you're going to need, either distilled water, fractionated coconut oil, sometimes something crazy like witch hazel, and a bunch of different other options. We're going to talk about specific essential oils. I'm talking about doTERRA. You can purchase these through other options as well. This specific blend is called On Guard. It smells like Christmas in a cup. It's very, very aromatic, and it's designed specifically to help your immune system. It helps your respiratory system, and it's used as a seasonal guard. We're gonna mix this with fractionated coconut oil and distilled water, then shake it up inside of here with this atomizer. This creates the mist, the spray, and then you have your own personal spray. Put a label on there and it looks like it's from Bath & Body Works.